to Fergie's Kitchen. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If you're just browsing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe on what you see, because we have a lot more going on here. Thanks to all my new subscribers, and thank you to my long-time subscribers. I will be making a gluten-free, cheese-free mac and cheese today. Here is my ingredients. So this is some gluten-free pasta. This is made from brown rice. Guys, please cook according. You can use plant-based pasta. Use your pasta of choice. But this is a gluten-free dish. So just follow the instruction on how to cook your pasta. I'm gonna be using some paprika, some of my savory spice blend, some mustard, nutritional yeast. I think I'm gonna switch out the garlic. I'm gonna use this garlic here today. So let me put that aside. Some white miso paste, almond butter, some panko breadcrumbs, vegetable broth, some broccoli, red onion, carrots, lemon, and turmeric. So guys, this is my ingredients for today, and I'll see you in a second. So guys, here's my pasta, already cooked, drained, and put aside. Now I'm gonna steam my broccoli. Okay guys, come to the stove. So now I'm gonna put 1 cup of vegetable broth, 1 cup of carrots. I use different colors, and 1/2 cup of onions, and a clove of garlic. And I'm going to let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes until your are soft, especially the carrots. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna need 2 teaspoons of lemon, but you have to peel the lemon first. So guys, this is the step that we are right now. You're gonna need like 1/4 inch of turmeric, or 1/4 teaspoon of fresh turmeric. This is my lemon that I blend. I'm gonna need 2 teaspoons, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. It should be 1/2 teaspoon, but I'm using 1/4 right now and 1/4 later. The next 2 cups of vegetable broth. So in total is 3 cups. 1 with the vegetables, and here I just add 2. 1 teaspoon of my savory spice blend, 2 teaspoons of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. This is 1/2. I'm going to use 2 halves. Now I'm going to add my steamed vegetables. This is the carrot, garlic, and onion. Blend until smooth. So guys, now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast. Guys, with my oven set at 375, now I'm gonna combine all my ingredients. I'm gonna need a cup of broccoli. Now guys, the other 1/4 of paprika. Remember, the recipe is half a teaspoon of paprika. I put 1/4 when I'm making the sauce. And now your breadcrumbs, Kanka breadcrumbs I'm using. And I'm gonna let this bake for 20 minutes. Guys, I enjoy this mac and cheese so much. It's really good. So guys, we're at the end of another segment. So here is my gluten-free mac and cheese. I hope you guys enjoy it because it is delicious. All right. And remember, use your pasta of choice. You can make it not gluten by using different cheese. And guys, from the scripture from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today is coming from Jeremiah 31, verse 3. The Lord has appeared to me from afar, saying, Yea, I have loved you with an everlasting love. Therefore, with loving kindness, I have drawn you. Guys, God is thinking about us all the time. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, eat your food as a medicine. Otherwise, you will have your medicine as your food. All right? Thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.